from my side, and let me share the screen. Right. So yesterday and day before yesterday, we discussed about the backups, right? Types of backups, how to take the backups, backup strategies, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. So this is the backup strategy. Okay. So every day full backup, every day full backup, write down somewhere. Every day full backup at night 9 p.m. Okay. And every 4 hours differential backup.
1 minute, sir.
Okay. Every day full backup.
Every day full backup.
At night 9 p.m. Okay. Every 4 hours differential backup.
4 hours.
And every 15 minutes. You don't restore any differential backup. You don't use any differential backup.
We use
Guys, I need answer. I got only response from Mahesh. What is the answer, guys?
Sir, hello, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
One full, one differential backup, sir.
On differential at what time? Differential backup.
Time, sir. Okay.
Time. Which differential backup you are going to use?
5 a.m., sir.
5 a.m. Okay,
And,
so differential backup is started at night 12. Okay, this is the frequency of differential backup. At 12 a.m. onwards, every 4 hours it will take. Okay, now tell me the answers, guys. You are not trying anything, just try at least. Yesterday you answered right. What is the problem to answer? Not even a single person is not answering. What happened, Anis? Are you still typing?
sir, differential backup after 9
Sir, after
p.m.
8 we are taking.
After 9 p.m. differential backup will be taken on 1 a.m. right, sir? Na?
Yes. See, it's not like that. See, every 4 hours means usually it will start at 12 a.m. You have to calculate from 12 a.m. to 4 hours. Okay, so first differential backup, it will be generated at 12 a.m. Next differential
1,
backup,
2,
it will be
3, 4.
generated at 4 a.m. like that.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So
one full backup, 34 logs, sir. 8 a.m. differential backup, sir.
One full backup, 34 log, 8 a.m. differential backup. Okay. Can you type it once?
It's sir.
Your database is corrupted at what time? Morning 6 a.m. Right? Morning 8:16, right? Yeah, tell me.
Sir, one full, one differential, one log backup. Sorry,
Wait.
one log.
Okay. I need answers from everyone. I need answers. I won't proceed until I got the answers from everyone. I don't know what is the problem. You are not interested to answer. Let me know. Either I need an answer or I am not interested to answer. I need this response from you.
sorry, 8 p.m. differential backup, one full backup.
Please type in the message, okay? Until I get the response from everyone, I don't proceed, guys. Till now, I got 2 responses. One is from Mahesh, another is from Bashir. Of course, Dev, you answered right. You also type the message.
Yes, sir.
Those who answered till now, just type your messages. I'll verify how many of you answered. Wrong, right or wrong, not an issue. I don't mind if you tell wrong answer also, but if you are not at all responding, some people are, I'm saying. Okay, so I will wait till I got responses from everyone.
8, 15, 30, 45.
Right, okay, Krishna. Okay, 5 log backups. Shivaji, one full 8 p.m. differential backup and 5. Anis, one full backup, one differential backup at 8 a.m. and log backup at 8:15. Mahesh. Bashir. Shivaji, Krishna, Sunil. Dev, you are typing the answer. It will take time to you. Just type your answer there. And Prudvi, I did not get response from your side. Shashi. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more person, Prudvi. Tell me the answer, Prudvi. No problem. It is right or wrong, not an issue, Prudvi. At least try it once. Okay, one full, one differential. Okay, fine. So out of these 9 responses, okay, Shashi, no problem. If you missed the class, not an issue. Okay, so Dev, one full, one differential, 45 log backups. Okay, you are wrong. Sunil, one full, one differential. Okay, Sunil, you are wrong. What about log backup, Sunil? You don't restore log backup?
Sir, no need, sir. I think,
No need. Why, Sunil?
sir, up to 8 only differential, last differential backup is there, sir.
Okay.
Then 812 only database crashed, sir.
816, not 812.
Okay, sir. I think 812. So
No, 816.
then 1 lakh backup is necessary, sir.
Okay. Fine. Okay. Right. And Krishna, one full, one differential, 5 log backups. Krishna Reddy changed the answer, one full, one differential, 39 log backups. Can you explain, Krishna, why 39 log backups?
Every 15 minutes, it's right around.
Okay.
Log backup.
I will take the log backup.
Calculate like
So
that. It could fall to morning 8:16 a.m.
Okay.
Calculate like that.
Okay. Fine. And actually everyone is wrong only. Okay, at least 1 or 2 persons, at least. Okay, you are somewhat right, but you missed something again. Anis, you missed something. Bashir, you are wrong. Mahesh, you are wrong. And Krishna, you are wrong. Can anyone tell me the answer, correct answer, guys? How many backups I need to restore? How many backups? What are the backups I have to restore? Use all the backups, guys. I hope you forgot one of the like important backup. Just recollect it and let me know the answer. How many backups I need? Total how many backups? What are the backups? At least one from 9 persons. At least one. You know the answer. Just try it. Mahesh 45 wrong. If you are going to restore all the log backups from 12 AM till 8:15, then what is the use of the differential backups?
Sir, can I explain, sir?
Yeah, you can explain.
Sir, one full back is okay, sir.
Okay.
So after that, 12 to latest differential bracket, it means 8 o'clock.
Okay.
Okay, sir. So it means 4 after 4, 8.
Hmm.
So one differential backup is okay.
Okay.
So after that, we are having log backup every 15 minutes, sir.
Hmm.
So our database is corrupted at
16.
8:16, sir.
Hmm.
So 8:15. I mean 8 to 8:15, one log backup.
Hmm. Hmm. Next.
It is that is only, sir. One minute. I mean extra is there, no, sir.
Hmm. How you are
Every
going to
minute.
record that 1 minute data?
Okay.
Sir, one full, one differential 44 log and one tail backup, sir.
Why, sir? Why 44 Deva? What happened to you? Why 44 log backups? Tell me. If 44 log backups from night 12 o'clock to morning 8:15, what is the use of the differential backup then? Come on, guys.
Sir, what I am explaining is
But Shivaji,
it's
tell
correct,
me
sir.
that 1 minute backup, how you are going to recover 1 minute backup?
You
Yeah,
don't
you are
have a T
correct.
log backup, no, sir. I
You
mean,
are correct. Okay, you are correct. But you are
Okay.
missing one thing.
One thing.
How you are going to see, imagine once the database is corrupted, what is the first step we have to do?
First step means T log backup
Hmm.
only, sir.
Log backup is different, okay?
Okay,
Log
it is fine.
backup is different. So what do you mean by T-log backup? Explain what is the T?
Tail log backup, sorry, sir.
Now tell me, guys. Now you got the hint, right? Now tell me how many backups I need to restore.
One tail log backup,
Hmm.
one full backup, one differential backup, one log backup.
Very good. Okay.
Yes.
So we have to
Yes.
use one full backup. Dev, what is the problem? So in case if you are calculating, see for example, if I don't have differential backup, one full backup, then from night 12 o'clock to morning 8:15, whatever log backups are there, those 8 to or 12 to 8, how many? 8 hours, right? 12 to 8 means 8 hours. 8 hours means 8 into 4 ja. 8 4 ja, how many? 32. By 45, I don't know. what is the reason behind 45 number, 45, 44? What is the reason behind that 45 or 44?
Actually, we have calculated from 9 p.m. sir. That's why that is 45.
9
So
p.m.
as
Okay, okay, total. Okay, last Sunday. Okay, got it. So you just calculated from last
Yes, 9
last
p.m.
previous day, right? Okay, previous day 9 p.m. Okay,
9 to 8, 11 hours. 11
okay,
into
11.
4,
Okay, that's
44
fine.
plus 1.
Okay, okay, that's fine. That's fine. Got
That's
you.
why. That's
But what is the use of the differential backup in that case?
Got it now, sir.
That's okay, but we have discussed right yesterday. We are going to use differential backup, right? In case if you are going to restore all the backups, then what is the use of the differential backup? If you're using all the log backups, then probably you may not use the differential backup. You can skip the differential backup. One full backup. If your answer is like this, that will be fine. Okay, one full backup, no differential backups, 44 log backups or 45 log backups, up to 815, 45 log backups, and finally that 815 to 816 or 8:15 minutes 59 seconds, you can get it from the tail log backup. Whenever the database is corrupted, what you have to do immediately?
you have to take tail log backups.
You have to take the tail log backup. Okay, if the database is corrupted means how can we identify? Yesterday we discussed it, Sashi. Yesterday only we discussed, not day before yesterday. In the yesterday's class, we discussed how to identify if the database is corrupted. Guys, can anyone tell me?
Yes, sir.
Got it. Sir.
No, how to identify if the database is corrupted?
Sir, it's a resolving mode or
Suspend mode.
Suspend
Suspend
mode,
mode,
very good.
resolving mode.
Suspend mode.
Restoring mode. Okay, so
Restore
the
offline mode.
databases, it will show
Offline.
you, yeah, the here in the database states, it will show you suspend or resolving or recovering. Okay, recovery pending, like this, these kind of states you can see, and you can confirm in the SQL or error log whether the database is corrupted or not. Okay, so the correct answer is immediately. First thing what you have to do is you have to take the tail log backup immediately. Then you have to use your full backup first. Okay, in which order you took the backups, in the same order you have to use. First you have to use your full backup, then you have to restore your differential backups, then you have to restore your log backup at 8:15, then remaining that 1 minute data you can recover by 8:16 tail log backup. Okay, 4 backups you have to use: one full backup, one differential backup, one log backup, and one tail log backup. Clear, guys?
Yes,
Is
sir.
it clear now?
Clear.
So in case if there is no differential backup strategy, one full backup, and 9 to morning 8 o'clock, 11 hours, 44 log backups plus 8:15, 45 log backups, one full backup, 45 log backups, one tail log backup. Okay, you have to use those 3 types of backups. Okay, clear, everyone? This
Yes,
is
sir.
damn sure important interview question. This is damn sure question also. You will get this question. They will give you one backup. First, they will ask what is your organization backup strategy. You can tell whatever it is. Okay, either weekly full backup or daily full backup. You can choose one backup strategy and you can discuss with them. And the next immediate question is like this only: my database is corrupted so and so date, so and so time. How you are going to recover? What are the database backups you are going to use to restore the database? That is the next immediate question. Definitely, this is the important question. You will get this question as well. Right? Fine. So till yesterday we discussed about the backups, right? So let's discuss about the recovery models. Then we'll discuss about the restores also. Okay. So what is meant by a recovery model? Before discussing restores, we'll discuss about the recovery models so that you'll get better clarity. Okay. Right. So recovery models are different. Recovery states are different. Vinod, I don't give you the recording permission. I'm sorry. Okay. Any valid reason you joined at 7:27?
Due to network issues, sir. Just now only I got the internet connection. Have been trying from 7 o'clock.
Mhm. Okay. Then you can record. Right? Guys, don't tell the same reason for the next class. Okay. Fine.
Yeah.
Okay. So before discussing this restores, so till now we discussed about the backups and types of backups and backup strategy, right? So let's discuss about the restores. So before discussing about the restores, let's discuss about the recovery models and recovery states. What is meant by recovery model and recovery state? Okay, so let's discuss recovery model first. Okay, so recovery model means controlling the behavior of the log file, controlling behavior of the log file. You can call it as recovery model. Okay, so what is the natural behavior of the log file, guys? What is the use of the log file?
Can store transactions.
Very good. It is going to store all the transactions,
All the
whatever it
transactions.
is, whatever it is. We have two types of transactions: committed transactions, uncommitted transactions. In your log file, it is going to store all the transactions. Till when it is going to store all the transactions?
And MDF file is what we call
Sir, before
When the file is completely transferred to data file.
data
after
file.
that,
Then yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So if any data is there, until it is going to write the data permanently to the data file, until then it is going to store the data
Store.
in the log file temporarily, right? Agree?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Fine.
sir.
So this also can be helpful for recovering purpose. For example, as discussed earlier, you are inserting 1 lakh transactions. At 99,900 transaction, 99,950 transaction, suddenly server is rebooted. Okay, at 99,950th transaction, you are inserting 1 lakh transactions. But at 99,950 transactions, suddenly your SQL server is restarted. Right? Once the server is back, what is the use of this log file? I told you, right? So this log file, what it will do, it will store all the transactions until the data is permanently written to the data file. Once the data is written to the data file permanently, the same transactions will be truncated from your log file. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Right? So in this case, in this scenario, once the power gone at 99,950 transaction, once the power back, or else once the server is up and running, it was restarted, right? Once the server is up and running, what is the next action it will do? Once the server is started, what is the next immediate action the database will do?
means recovering
We'll discuss one
transactions.
terminology for that. We discussed one terminology.
DCM.
No.
New temp file will be added.
No. We discussed one terminology, two terminologies actually.
sir, please repeat the question, sir.
You are inserting data into the database. Okay.
Yes.
Suddenly it was restarted. Okay. Once the database is online, once the database is back, or once the server is back, what is the immediate action by your database? Uncompleted transactions. What it will do, Anis? Uncompleted transaction. We used two terminologies earlier: redo, undo.
Yes.
Remember these two? Roll back, roll forward.
Wow.
Right? So whatever committed transactions are there, it is going to roll forward. Whatever uncommitted transactions are there, it is going to cancel those uncommitted transactions. Right? In case if it has to do redo or undo, it has to do redo means reapplying, undo means canceling. So whatever it wants to do, first of all, it know the complete details, right? On which database I have to execute the transactions, on which table I have to insert the records, right? It should know all the details, right? So each and every transaction in your log file, in your log file, each and every transaction will be recorded. Apart from that, there are a lot of other details also will be stored related to each and every transaction. It will store on what database this transaction is going to be executed. It will store on what object the transaction has to be executed, at what time it has to be executed. What is the previous LSN? LSN means log sequence number. Okay, what is the previous LSN? What is the current LSN? What is the next LSN? Every details like that, it is going to store 108 attributes of each transaction, guys. 108 attributes of each transaction. It will store every transaction. Apart from the transaction, imagine insert into employee values 1 Suresh 50,000. This is a transaction, right? So it will store the transaction. Apart from that, it will also store on which database this transaction is going to be executed, on which table this transaction is going to be executed, at what time it is going to be executed, what is the command, everything it is going to store. Why it will store, guys? Why it will store? Again, if it has to do redo, it should know proper details, right? Without having proper details, how can it redo again? On what object it is going to redo? Or it has to cancel the transaction, from which database it is going to cancel the transaction, from which table it is going to cancel the transaction. So that's why it will store complete details of each and every transaction in the log file. Writing complete details, each and everything in the log file, you can call it as a log file hardening. Okay, log file hardening. Okay, or WAL, WAL, write ahead logging. What is meant by WAL? Writing each and everything to the log file is called WAL. Okay, so we have, like, we are using ceiling fans, right? We are using ceiling fans. We have modes in the ceiling fans. If you put in 1, it will be fast. 2, somewhat fast. 3, like that, the speed is going to decrease, right? Or increase, whatever it might be. Okay, so in the same way, we have multiple recovery models, guys. Okay, we have 3 recovery models: full recovery model, bulk logged recovery model, and your simple recovery model. In each recovery model, it will behave different way. It means what? Your log file. Okay, if you put your like fan in 1, it will be fast, right? In the same way, if you just keep your database in full recovery model, it will behave differently. If you keep your database in bulk logged recovery model, it will behave differently. And if you keep your databases in simple recovery model, it will behave differently. So full means, as discussed, whatever we discussed now, that is the full recovery model. Okay, so it is going to write each and everything about the transaction. Why again it is storing the transaction details? Again, if it has to undo or redo, those transaction details are very useful. That's why it is going to store each and every detail about the transaction. Agree, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that is your full recovery model. In full recovery model, the database is going to store, our log file is going to store each and every transaction and 108 attributes of the transactions. Not only the command, it will also store on what database, at what time, what is the command, okay, on what object or table it has to be executed. Every details it is going to store. Those details are helpful to redo or undo. Okay, right? So what about bulk logged recovery model? The name is itself saying bulk logged. Okay, so guys, millions of transactions are inserting into my database. Millions of transactions. See, for one transaction itself, it is going to store 108 details, right? 108 attributes. Imagine if millions of transactions are inserting into the database, your log file will grow like anything. For one transaction, it will store 108 details. For 100 transactions, it will store 100 into 108 details. For 1 lakh transactions, 1 lakh into 108 details. For 10 million or 1 million, 1 million means 10 lakhs, 10 lakhs into 108. See, this much data is coming into your log file. There is a huge, okay, what you can say, usage of your log file will be there, right? Your log file consumption will be more. So if you don't have proper enough free space in the log drive, what happened? Your log file will full, and once your log file is full, it won't accept any incoming transaction. So automatically your database will go into the suspect state or
Suspect.
recovery pending state. Okay, clear, guys?
Yes.
Right? So here, what you have to understood, in case if you keep your database in bulk log recovery, you know that bulk operations are coming or bulk inserts are there. Okay, so if you keep your database recovery model from full to bulk logged, all bulk operations are minimally logged. Minimally logged means only basic details it is going to store it. Okay, so in the full recovery model, all the backups are possible, guys. In the full recovery model, whatever backups we have discussed, all the backups are possible. So if all the backups are possible, point in time recovery is also possible. Agree? Point in time recovery means what? Restoring full differential and log and tail log backups, you can call it as a point in time recovery, right?
Yes.
So in the bulk logged recovery model, as discussed, can anyone tell me point in time recovery is possible or not in the bulk logged recovery model? Just guess it. No issues. Point in time recovery is possible or not possible in the bulk logged recovery model?
So bulk log recovery model is only basic information, na, sir?
Yes, it will
So-
store only basic information.
Basic information.
Basic information about the transactions, like when the batch comes into the database, okay, batch ID, time, date, stamp. So only these details. It won't help us to roll back or roll forward. Okay, here all the transactions will be logged completely with 108 attributes. So it will help to roll back, roll forward. So all the backups are possible. We have this full differential log backups and all. If we have full differential log backups, point in time recovery is possible.